Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to install some of those lovely Procreate brushes that you've been downloading. Hopefully you've checked out my other videos and you've downloaded some from those makers, some of the free ones, some of the paid for ones. But this video really is just about how to install them into Procreate. So with that, we're going to start. So there are two main ways of getting brushes into Procreate, and the first is from within Procreate itself. So with that, if we go into our brush palette, and you can see just from the amount of brushes that I've installed already, I definitely know how to install brushes. We go into this plus here, it takes you to Brush Studio, and within Brush Studio, if we go up into the top right, we can see the word import. I'm going to click on that, and it's going to take you to your file browser. Now this is where you will try and locate the pack, the brush pack that you need to install. So wherever you've downloaded it to, this is where you're going to install it from. So this is from recently used, but if I go into my downloads, I can see here I've got Bardo brushes. So I'm going to add those. So I'm just going to click it once. It's going to import, and there you go. Easy peasy, right there. So the second way is if we go into Files itself and locate our brush pack, what we can do is just simply click on that. It's going to open Procreate, it's going to import them. And if I then reopen my file, you can see I've now got two, it's installed them again. And it really is as simple as that. If you found that useful, make sure you like and subscribe. I'm going to be making way more content like this where I just show you very quickly and very simply how to do the basics in Procreate. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks very much and see you in the next one.